All right, so here's the deal. So we're about to go get on a plane, but I'm halfway up the stairs on the church. On the way back out, we saw that the sky was getting really blue. I'll stop at the halfway part so you guys can see some stuff here. That's a casket. So pretty. All right. And I got a chance to catch my breath. And I could come back up. So, just by fortuitous circumstance, we got a chance to get up here. I'll let you guys watch. You can look down if you want. I'm not gonna. But a little higher. A little higher. Almost there. Man, at least I know I'm not having a heart attack. Let's go see. This shirt is covered in sweat. Almost there. 3 more steps. Let's go see if it's worth it. It's just that the sky got bluer, so it makes more sense to come up and try again. Here we go. ¿Usted tiene la plata el plato todavía para poder ponerlo en el tripié? Yep. Take a look at that sky. That's worth it. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later.